Hi, YouTube. My kitty says hi, too. Hi, Davy. So, it's really, really hot out right now. In Canada, it's like nearly 40 degrees, so I've been delaying filming for like quite a while because of this. But I'm gonna attempt to film today. I'm gonna wear gloves just so that I don't sweat or get sticky hands all over my new bag. But I've been wanting to unbox this bag. I've been like on a mission to find it since I found out about it. I heard about it a little late because like most people, they found out about the Coach beat bags like when they first came out, and now they're kind of like, I don't know if they're discontinued or what, but I see them here and there like on clearance or people reselling them for exorbitant amounts of money, and I'm just like, $600 for a used bag? Are you crazy? No. So I've been looking and looking like crazy, and I got really lucky and finally found one in a color I want, because I wanted it in the glove tanned leather, and I didn't want to get it in a pebbled leather or coated canvas or with suede if I could, you know, not get one with suede, because like harder to care for suede than it is to care for like a smooth leather or something. Like they are prone to scratching and everything, but like it's more wipeable than suede. Like if you get suede wet, it's like RIP. But yeah, anyway, so I found one. I'm very lucky. And I'm gonna unbox it and show you guys today. Oh, also, I will let you know where I got it. I can post links below, but it sold out like right after I got it, so I'm like, am I actually getting my bag? Because I purchased one from the Coach outlet that was one with suede and studs and stuff like that, and then they told me, oh, sorry, it's on back order twice. And then they sent me an email after I emailed them back, like, where's my bag? Because it was supposed to be back ordered today, or like a few days ago. And they're like, oh, sorry, we're not going to get any in stock. So do you want a different bag? I'm like, what the hell? Like, what kind of customer service is that? They're like, sorry that you're probably disappointed. No duh. Like, you can't offer me another beat bag for the same price? Like, because I had got it for 300 and like 300 Canadian. I'm like, I don't want to pay like 400 Canadian for the less favorable colors. No. Anywho, let's unbox this. You're like, let me just pull out my pink karambit or something like that. And I'm just like, let me pull out my art X-Acto knife. Not so cool. I don't want to reveal my information. Oh, what kind of wrapping is this? Oh, they really wrapped it. Ooh. Oh, there's the box. This is where I got it, Saks Fifth Avenue. That's a box for my kitty. They're gonna enjoy that. So that's nice. They wrapped it in a nice little thing of paper. We got some padding here. Oh, it's actually, I don't know why, but for some reason I'm like, this is bigger than I remember it. So here's the bag. It's all wrapped up in plastic. As you can see, I got the white one. And I'm going to inspect it to make sure it's in good condition, because I'm like, I hope it's in good condition. They certainly packaged it decently well. It doesn't have all the packaging, protective packaging. Oh no! It's kind of dented. It's got a little line there. Do I suck it up because I only paid $3.50 for it? I don't know how to feel about that. So it comes with this top handle, which is removable. Top handle seems to be in good condition. it's wrinkly at the bottom. You can kind of see it's wrinkly, like creasing, but like I think that's kind of normal for glove tan leather. It's got this heavy ass chain which you can use as a strap like this, or carry it like this. You can also use it for decoration for your other bags, but like, yeah, other than that dent, upon inspection it looks okay. There's a couple of like marks that look like dirty marks, so I don't know if I can get that off. Like I see right here, there's a little mark. So yeah, I don't know if this is like a display model or something, but like I said, it's so bloody hard to get these. Like, you can find one that isn't used. So I may have to be not picky about this one. But damn, I think what happened is the chain dented into it in packing or something. They should have detached the chain and put it inside the bag, possibly. Like, that probably would have prevented that from happening. But of course this chain is attached, but they could have tucked it in the bag. That would have protected it. If they just went like this, that would have protected the bag from being damaged. But yeah. So the inside's like a microfiber. As you can see, it's a light tan color. And then it comes with a dust bag. Same old dust bag that they come with. Oh, it's got some loose threads on it. What the hey. So yeah, that's the dust bag. And then we pose for my thumbnail. It's got a back pocket here. So you like tuck something in there. I don't know what you'd want to tuck in there. And then it's got a nice big section in the front there. A zipper pocket on the inside that's lined with fabric with the Coach print on it, and then there's like a decent sized pocket at the back. I think they're about the same, and also because it's accordion style, I feel like it has a little bit of give. And then there's this, oh, it's a button, magnetic button snap at the back, blah, blah, blah. And it's pretty strong magnet because when I let go, it's like it just pops right back into place on its own. This right here is a snap closure, so it's not magnetic, which is kind of cool. So you just pop it into place there. Has a nice snapping noise. So yeah, that's that. There's a little bit of like dirt. Like, I want to get a cleaner to clean it, but yeah. I mean, I think I just have to not be picky about the dent, because like $3.50 for this after border fees, tax, shipping, that's not bad. And otherwise it's in pretty good condition. So that's what it looks like. Cute. I wanted to get the black one or a studded one, but it was very difficult to find, but I luckily found this one. So yeah. Also, this is removable, but it's like a lot more difficult to remove if you want to use this with the handle. But let me just try the top handle on it. Where did I put the top handle? Cute. It's a very cute top handle. I feel like you couldn't, you could just hold it by this. You couldn't carry it by this. You could carry it by the chains, or use the chain strap as a shoulder strap, but like this. No, you'd have to just like hold it. I'd be afraid of getting it all dirty, like finger oils and stuff. I'm already afraid. I'm like trying to protect it. It's my baby, my new baby. But yeah, it's beautiful. I love the glove tan leather. It's so smooth and pretty. It would be really cute if it had studs on it as well, like along the edge. I've seen smaller versions of it with the studs on it, but you know, it's still cute because the chain dresses it up, right? The chain's very versatile. You can use it with other bags too, because I've got some other bags with gold hardware, and because Coach has the same gold hardware for all their bags, you can just use it for the other bags as well. So cute. Alright everybody, thank you for watching my unboxing and little review of my new bag. My new beat bag in the chalk color. If you guys know anywhere to get the black bag, the black studded bag, or anything like that, let me know, because I'm still looking for it, because this bag is just so beautiful. As soon as I saw these Coach bags, I'm like, damn, okay, Coach been stepping up their game lately, because like 10 years ago, I didn't care for any of their bag designs. I'm not huge like on monogram print. I don't care for that, but like these, they look like classic, beautiful bags. They look expensive and luxury, like they look better than some Chanel bags and stuff like that. Like some of the Chanel bags I see look tacky and everything. Like Coach really knows how to make a nice bag. So yeah, I've started collecting a lot of them. I may have a problem. But yeah, if you want to join in and see my problem, all my Coach collection and stuff like that, subscribe. And like this video if you like this video and you like beat bags, and comment your favorite Coach bag at the moment and I'll check it out. And if you have a beat bag, let me know what color you were able to get, and I'll see you in my next video. I have more Coach videos coming up soon. They'll be dropping on the channel as soon as I can edit them. And I got a couple more bags to unbox, so keep your eyes peeled for that. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks again.